Butterflies. These beautiful pollinators seem to float through the air on a breeze. Their intricate wings help them get from point A to point B. But what are the patterns and colors for? We're about to uncover the secrets behind these delicate masterpieces. Butterfly wings aren't just a symphony of colors. They're a testament to evolution's brilliance. Each pattern is a story etched in the intricacies of nature's design. They get even more interesting when you take a closer look. Butterfly wings have a framework of veins. These veins contain air and blood, but they also add support for the wing structure. Inside this framework of veins are thousands of flattened hairs that look like scales. These hairs are very fragile and give the butterfly their patterns and colors. These colorful patterns can range from complex designs to solid coloring with some spots. But the purposes vary. Some butterflies depend on their wings to evade predators. This skipper butterfly uses speed and can fly up to 37 miles per hour. But most butterflies can only fly around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So they have to depend on other means to avoid predators. This owl butterfly is a master of disguise. Like a lot of animals in nature, their markings act as camouflage. They blend into their environment, keeping them safe from predators. But in addition to their camouflage, the owl butterfly has giant eye spots on their wings, which resemble, you guessed it, the eyes of an owl. These eye spots will trick predatory birds into keeping their distance. Having eye spots is a form of mimicry. Mimicry is where the wing patterns resemble other organisms. This deceptive strategy helps these butterflies deter predators who might mistake them for something unpalatable. Like this butterfly that mimics the look of a leaf. Another type of mimicry is to look like a different butterfly altogether. Some butterflies, like this monarch butterfly, don't taste very well to predators. So other butterfly species will develop similar wing patterns and colors to fool predators into leaving them alone. A bird only has to have one encounter with one of these poor-tasting butterflies to deter it from pursuing the other. Butterflies are smarter than you think. They can use their wing patterns to communicate and identify one another. Vibrant colors and patterns can be attractive to potential mates. And butterflies may engage in courtship rituals that involve displaying their wings to communicate fitness and reproductive readiness. But trying to mate with two giant wings on your back can be a challenge. But wings also do more than just get in the way. The coloration and patterns on butterfly wings can influence their temperature regulation. Darker colors, like this long-winged butterfly, can absorb more sunlight and heat, which can be beneficial for butterflies in cooler environments. Conversely, lighter colors reflect more sunlight and can help prevent overheating in warmer climates. And, like most insects, butterflies can see UV light. UV light can reveal details in the patterns of butterfly wings that are invisible to humans, but let other butterflies know what species that butterfly belongs to. The markings on butterfly wings are the result of evolutionary adaptations that contribute to their survival and reproduction. These visual features have evolved over time to serve multiple functions, enhancing the butterfly's ability to thrive in a specific environment. And if you want to thrive in the world of insects and other bugs, you can help this channel by liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell, Supporting this channel helps me make more content, so that the next time you admire a butterfly's wings, you will remember they are more than just a fleeting beauty. These wings tell stories of adaptation, survival, and the delicate dance of nature.